अपने को पहले अनम्यूट तो करो।
Sorry. Respectful ma'am, I am Ajit Kumar, a student of PGDM first semester. I am here to present my view about a special status for Bihar. Bihar is a place of Bauddha Dharma and many heritage places available, and we had biggest university as an Nalanda University, which was famous in world for education. But in this era, Bihar has very lowest rate of education, which is approx 62%, and it has shows by the Niti Aayog report. And Bihar has very few resources to develop its economy, and lapse of industrialization causes damage in the revolution of the Bihar economy. My concern is that Bihar need boost of the financial support for the support of the central government in favor of the development and enhancement of literacy rates. With economy, also I support in favor of the special state of the Bihar. Thank you. Have you given opportunity to present my view here?
All right, then call somebody. क्या सीखा वही बताइए। बताइए। मत बोलिए। चलिए अजीत कुमार, कैन यू सी द स्क्रीन?
Yeah, ma'am.
ओके, अभी दिख रहा है आपको स्क्रीन? हेलो।
यस मैम।
चलिए आप इसको प्रेजेंट कीजिए, बैरियर्स टू इफेक्टिव कम्युनिकेशन। मैंने क्लास आपका लिया था, हम आपको सिर्फ फोटो स्लाइड्स दिखा रहे हैं, आप प्रेजेंट कीजिए। हेलो।
मुझे प्रेजेंट करना है मैम।
हाँ करिए, क्लास हो चुका है ऑलरेडी बैरियर्स का। व्हाट डू यू अंडरस्टैंड बाय द टर्म बैरियर? एक स्लाइड में समझ में आ जाएगा कि आपको प्रेजेंटेशन में क्या स्पीचेस या प्रेजेंटेशन एनीथिंग इज पॉसिबल इन सैटरडे एक्टिविटी क्लास। चलिए मेक अ प्रेजेंटेशन ऑन बैरियर्स।
ओके मैम, मैं रिप्रेजेंट करता हूँ। Barrier to the effective communications. Barriers means just like that obstacles, like when we discuss about that, yeah, when we exchange the informations, that is a cost improper way to sharing because of that obstacles. And
Okay.
these obstacles.
First of all, you tell me what does this slide show? What does this slide tell you?
Barriers to the effective communications, मैम। वहाँ पर एक बैरियर्स है जहाँ पर प्रॉपर वे में एग्जैक्टली फ्यू पीपल्स के बीच ऑब्स्टिकल्स हैं, जस्ट लाइक वॉल, और वन पर्सन है जो कि वन साइडेड अवेलेबल है।
What does this mean?
This mean कि they can't contact with them. One red person unable to make the communication with the blue peoples, those who are the one sided.
Okay, fine. पढ़िए, read it.
क्या है स्लाइड में?
पढ़िए।
Aspect of or condition in a workplace that interfere with the effective exchange of idea or thought. Such barrier include status differences, second, gender differences, third, cultural differences, and fourth, prejudices. Fifth, the organizational environment.
इसका मतलब बताइए, स्टेटस डिफरेंसेस, ये कैसे बैरियर बन जाता है?
स्टेटस डिफरेंसेस मे बी जस्ट लाइक दैट कि कुछ लोगों का स्टेटस हायर हो सकता है और कुछ लोगों का
किसी
स्टेटस
का स्टेटस
लोअर हो,
हायर है, किसी का स्टेटस लो है। तो
लो
हाई
है।
स्टेटस वाले लोग अपने ही लोगों से बात करते हैं, अपने स्टेटस के लोगों से बात करते हैं। दे डू नॉट टॉक विद पीपल हु आर लोअर इन स्टेटस। तो
यूके पीपल्स के जो
स्टेटस
होंगे तो वो
बिकम्स द
अपने
ग्रेटेस्ट बैरियर, isn't it?
ये
Gender, what do you mean by gender differences?
just like that some differences it is, some people feel the shyness to make a communication with the other genders peoples that maybe caused the barriers
They are not comfortable with talking to
other
the
gender.
opposite gender. Like, yes, this also happens. Like in organizations, कई बार ऐसा होता है कि nobody people feel a little awkward reporting to a woman boss. तो जेंडर
Yes ma'am.
डिफरेंसेस है, शुरू से रहा है और आगे भी रहेगा। दिस विल ऑलवेज हैपन। तो इसका जैसे स्टेटस डिफरेंसेस का, तो इसका उपाय क्या, व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन?
Solution is that upper genders upper status people have to be much polite for the lower peoples because of whenever they becomes more polite for them they will feel more comfortable with each others and they will be feel more understanding way and they can share information each other properly.
If people take care of their status differences, then there will be no barriers at all, and you should be a person with an open personality, जो कि कोई
Yeah
भी
ma'am.
आपसे बात करने में घबराए नहीं और कतराए भी नहीं। स्टेटस का
Yes ma'am.
जहाँ तक सवाल है, बहुत लोग घबराते हैं और डरते हैं कि कैसे बात करेंगे, whether the person is free or not, because status becomes the greatest barrier. इसको ब्रेक ओपन करने के लिए बस यही है कि इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशंस क्या होना चाहिए और ओपन होना चाहिए, so that in a company, in an organization, everybody is free to speak to anyone.
Yeah.
And what is the solution of gender differences?
Gender differences there is one solution they have to be make more comfortable with each others and unless they make it comfortable they can't share information because of they have to be understand the same in front of the person those who are have opposite genders they are just only for business and whenever they go for the business minded thoughts they will communicate with each others without obstacle of the genders.
Yes, continue. Third,
Cultural difference,
what do you mean by cultural difference?
that is possible to represent about the religionistic difference and may have different cultures like that those like a Sikkim peoples have different cultures and Biharis have different cultures but in case of requirement and by business thought they have to be communicated by simple language which may be possible to English, that is it.
Do you think such barriers exist in today's communication the business world?
Yeah, ma'am, I am just thinking it's exist because of like whenever you go in south, you will feel very different than the north side's religionistic persons because of they have different language, different understanding way, so may create a different barriers to understanding with
And
each other.
cultural barriers also creates a lot of misunderstanding.
Yeah, ma'am.
When you do not understand the meaning, you will also not understand their mental status.
Hmm. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is prejudices.
Actually, I can't
What is
explain
meaning by
about that.
prejudice?
I'm not agree right now, ma'am, because I'm just forgetting what this word prejudice is.
You have forgotten the meaning of prejudice.
Yeah, ma'am, I'm just not right now getting remind about it.
This prejudice becomes from a psychological mental makeup. कि मुझे
Okay.
इससे नहीं बात करनी है, I don't like this person, I don't like that person. So prejudice communication is everywhere, and it always happens, and co-workers get angry also,
Yeah.
and
Dislike persons.
and it arises after cultural differences. You're prejudiced. मैं इस community के लोगों से बात नहीं करूँगा, मैं उनसे बात नहीं करूँगा. You're prejudiced. You also feel disgusted sometimes. So prejudices हो सकता है when you do not when you do not like somebody, you will not like to talk to the person. कुछ ऐसी बात कभी हो जाती है, आप prejudiced हो जाते हैं, आप against हो जाते हैं. So prejudice is an assumption of an opinion about someone simply based on the person's membership of a particular group. Or, for example, people can be prejudiced against someone else of a different ethnicity, gender or religion or anything. जैसे इसके बगल में नहीं बैठेंगे, उसके बगल में नहीं बैठेंगे, उससे नहीं बात करेंगे.
Yes, ma'am. Possibility is there. Always happen.
Negative attitude. Prejudice क्या होता है? Negative attitude होता है. It is having a negative attitude towards people who are not born in the United States or people who are not born in India.
Actually, it is also happened, ma'am, in Patna.
बिहार के लोग
Yeah.
होता है ना, they are from Bihar, so उनसे बात नहीं करना है. They dislike due to their status as they don't belong to Mumbai or they don't belong to Delhi, so they are from Bihar. Prejudice हो जाते हैं लोग. Okay, what causes prejudice? क्या कारण हो सकता है?
A lot of that reasons may be possible, like
जिस तरह से
behavior.
एक बंदा को upbring किया गया है. The way a person's upbringing happens may cause them to become prejudiced. If parents had prejudice of their own, there's a chance that that opinion will be passed on to the children also.
No, actually, I'm thinking that maybe because of the behaviors, dressing sense, and having this like that, those people who are just living like filthy, other people they just don't want to be stay with them. That's maybe possible to prejudice. Actually, why people don't like to dislike because of that having the behavior is not better. They will understand that they have no need to be sit with them.
That's right. And in the organizational environment, how can this become a barrier?
Just like that, organizational environment, maybe separatism format. Yeah, in organization environment have a no proper way of systematic arrangement, having no better communications with the seniors to juniors. Just like rudeness is much in seniors. That is a cause to barriers in organization environment. Maybe sometimes like that, rudeness have a much increase in the seniors. The environment already becomes bad.
Okay.
So juniors don't want to be make more communicate with them, more seniors people.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now there's some other barriers also. Physical barriers like social distancing. Organizational, we already discussed. Cultural barriers, language barriers. What is language barrier? Sometimes you do not understand the language. It becomes a barrier. Sunil Priya, how does language become a barrier? Tell me.
Ma'am, language becomes a barrier because we don't know that others' language and they don't know this our language. That can be barrier.
Or any accent which we are speaking, they might not understand. For example, if you speak to an American, they might not understand your accent and you might not understand their accent.
Yes, ma'am. They don't know the language of each other.
Yeah. What is channel barrier? Tell me.
Channel barrier. I don't understand, ma'am. The channel barriers.
Communication process में कितने channels बताए गए थे आपको बताइए. When you want to speak to anybody, what channel will you choose? कितनी बार हम भी discuss किए class में. Channel का मतलब बताओ तो तुम.
Medium.
तो कैसे नहीं समझ में आ रहा है कि चैनल बैरियर क्या होता है? कभी कभी इंटरनेट नहीं आता, जो चैनल हमने चूज किया है वो फॉल्टी है, मेरा इंटरनेट कनेक्शन नहीं है, मेरा वाईफाई कनेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है, मेरे फोन में बैलेंस नहीं है, I choose to use my phone, but my phone is not working because of certain errors, technical problems. Sonal Priya, do you understand?
Yes, ma'am. I
Channel means
understand.
medium a person chooses to convey the message to. वो मैसेज वो बैरियर हो सकता है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am. That can be barrier.
कैसे बैरियर होता है बताओ बताओ?
Ma'am, if two person or they are from different region, they're
Somebody is talking to you on the phone and you are in a traffic jam. Will they be able to hear you?
no, ma'am. That's
Channel barrier हुआ ना यहाँ पे?
yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me what is interpersonal barrier? Already बहुत बार ये word term use किया गया है, interpersonal. Give me the meaning of interpersonal. Hello.
About the skills, ma'am. Interpersonal represent about the skills of the persons, how to communicate, how to
No,
behave, how
interpersonal
to
means
interact.
knowing the thoughts of other people, understanding other people in your group. How well you know your people in a group is called interpersonal communication. How well you know your group. मैंने कल भी इस बात को की है, तो आपने कहा था the CR is not that compatible, so interpersonal communication बिल्कुल at fault है.
Yeah, ma'am.
मैंने कल ही बात करी थी ना इसको. तो अब जो क्लास में सोए रहते हैं क्या? Are you all sleeping in the class? Intrapersonal is talking to yourself. Intra, I-N-T-R-A. Intrapersonal, talking to yourself, planning, thinking, making plans. Sometimes you talk to yourself. जो कुछ प्लान कर रहे होते हैं, और जब आप ग्रुप में बात कर रहे होते हैं, दिस इज कॉल्ड इंटरपर्सनल कम्युनिकेशन. हाउ वेल यू नो योर पीपल इन द ग्रुप, हाउ वेल दे नो यू. व्हाट आर इंटरपर्सनल बैरियर्स? जब आप किसी को जानते ही नहीं है ग्रुप में, तो बहुत बड़ा बैरियर है कि नहीं?
Yes, ma'am.
So what is individual barrier?
Represents
इंडिविजुअल बैरियर क्या हो सकता है?
Let's represent about the individuals, persons like that having no proper way of to communicate with others ones. They don't know how to make a communication others ones. That belong to individuals, not to others ones.
इंडिविजुअल बैरियर अजीत वो होता है जो किसी का चीज में आप इंटरेस्ट नहीं आप दिखाते हैं, डिससैटिस्फैक्शन आपको है. You are disinterested. You are not interested with one's job. Inability to listen to others. इसमें काफी लंबा चौड़ा, आप प्लीज इसको लिख लीजिए.
ओके मैम, मैं इसके बारे में लिख लेता हूँ पहले कुछ.
Dissatisfaction, individual barrier बहुत जरूरी है जानना. Dissatisfaction, disinterest in your job, किसी को सुनना नहीं चाहते हैं, inability to listen to others, अपनी ही बात रखते हैं, किसी और की सुनेंगे नहीं. Inability to listen to others, lack of trust, जब आप किसी को ट्रस्ट ही नहीं कर रहे. Lack of transparency, your thoughts are not clear, and plus you do not trust anybody. Conflict at workplace, these all individual barriers. किसी भी तरह का कॉन्फ्लिक्ट, किसी भी तरह का डिससैटिस्फैक्शन, किसी भी तरह का डिसइंटरेस्ट इन द जॉब, Not willing to listen to others, अपनी ही बात कहते रहना, because of lack of trust.
Yeah, ma'am.
Understood?
Yeah.
And attitudinal barriers, इसमें आपका बहुत, आपको ज्यादा, आपका देखने का तरीका बिल्कुल अलग है, एटीट्यूड ज्यादा आपको है, अपने बारे में सोचते हैं, सेल्फ सेंटर्ड होना, सिर्फ अपने बारे में ही सोचना, अपना अपना एटीट्यूड बिल्कुल अलग तरीके से बना लेना.
Ma'am, attitudinal barrier means that can be selfishness or ego.
Yeah, it can arise out of ego also, your attitude. If you keep your attitude high,
It's always happen, ma'am.
होता तो है, ये तभी तो है इसमें ना.
But many ones also feel
Attitude
they
also
lack it.
arises because of difficulties or challenges experienced by a person. कोई difficulties उसके सामने है या कुछ challenges सामने आ जाता है by a person with disability. कुछ काम आप नहीं कर पाते तो attitude बहुत low रहता है उसका. For example, आप बहुत दिन से absent है, वो लड़की जो क्या नाम है आयुषी, उसका attitude क्या है, बहुत अभी low है, क्यों? She has not attended the classes. It can also result from misunderstanding, confusing or ignoring. Comparison at workplace.
But at a workplace, those who show attitude also face many problems, ma'am.
It arises because of set of difficulties or challenges. तभी attitude barrier set in हो जाता है. किसी को inferior treatment होता है, जैसे आपका जो your manager or people or person working whom you are reporting to, वो सबके सामने आपकी कुछ बेइज्जती कर देता है या कुछ ऐसी बात कर देता है जो आपको पसंद नहीं आता है, then you will have a inferiority treatment आपको हो जाता है ना.
Yes, ma'am.
May take the form of imposing an inferiority complex upon the disabled worker. कुछ आपने काम नहीं किया है, कुछ disability है, and that is highlighted, then it becomes very painful. And this inferiority can root from causes entirely outside the work environment. बाहर से भी आ सकता है, कहीं घर पे अगर है, घर पे अगर siblings है, brothers and sisters है, किसी एक बच्चे को बहुत अगर ट्रीटमेंट अलग तरीके से मिलता है तो उसको उसका लाइफ लॉन्ग के लिए उसको एक he is suffering from this kind of attitude. उसकी अगर वीकनेस प्रोजेक्टेड हो जाती है तो फिर this becomes a problem. लिसनिंग बैरियर्स, सुनने जो अपनी बात कहने करते रहते हैं, लिसनिंग नॉट एबल टू, पेशेंस ही नहीं होता है दूसरे की बात सुनने की, अपनी ही बात कहते रहेंगे, दे डोंट हैव द पेशेंस टू लिसन टू अदर्स. लिसनिंग बैरियर्स तो खैर हमेशा ही रहता है. क्लास में क्या हो रहा पता ही नहीं, आज का टॉपिक क्या है पता ही नहीं, क्यों? वर यू देयर इन द क्लास?
Because of they don't take care
लिसनिंग
of
बैरियर्स क्यों होता है
serious.
बताइए तो? People will not respect you, they will not listen to you. आप ध्यान नहीं दे रहे हैं, आप कुछ और सोच रहे हैं, तो आप यू आर नॉट लिसनिंग प्रॉपर्ली. एंड बैरियर्स टू while speaking, बैरियर्स बाय while speaking होता है कम्युनिकेशन में फ्लॉज है, प्रॉब्लम्स है, वोकैबुलरी है, शाइनेस है, कॉन्फिडेंस नहीं है, तभी ये सब आ जाता है. यहाँ पर क्या बैरियर दिख रहा है आपको? नो रिटर्न, नो रिफंड. डू यू सी एनी बैरियर over here?
No return, no refund.
किस तरह का बैरियर है ये बताइए आप.
Proper understanding का मैम.
When the person is selling the price for 200 rupees, you cannot return it, you cannot refund it. How does this become a barrier for the person who is buying it?
Maybe she's not understanding what's right here. I think communication, ma'am, proper not understanding way of that.
क्या लग रहा है, क्या बैरियर यहाँ पे लग रहा है? एटीट्यूडल बैरियर लग रहा है आपको?
Communications का मैम.
कम्युनिकेशन का बैरियर लग रहा है?
Yes ma'am.
चलिए आगे चलते हैं. We'll continue with this in the next class. Make sure that you come prepared for any kind of here is the language barrier. When the shopkeeper usage of different words with same meaning. Whether the customer is able to convey what exactly is there on his mind or not. Bargaining, items given on credit, the only loss making event. Product expiry, the companies nowadays takes the product back, so it isn't a major problem. So this was the language barrier. We'll continue this in the next class.
Yeah. Can I leave, ma'am?
Oh yes, you can leave. Taken your attendance now. I told you barriers, the chapter is quite vast. And here you will know what are the barriers and what are the solutions. And please in my class be interactive. Otherwise I'll really become angry. नहीं बोलोगे तो मुझे टेंशन हो जाता है कि what to do in this class. Really. कोई क्लास अगर नहीं बोलता है तो मुझे बहुत टेंशन हो जाती है. Wow. What is the treatment? चलिए okay.
Distribute toffees and they will be becomes happy. And they will
Yeah. चलो okay. That's it.